Hello YouTube, MES Legend here, and I'm back again in the video. So in my previous video, I did a video regarding Ahmed Musa, and that's the first link that we're in. This is the second link, transfer link that we have today. So Manchester United in transfer talks to sign Odion Ighalo. So here he is. So Manchester United are in talks to sign Watford striker Odion Ighalo before the transfer window shuts, according to reports. The Red Devils are yet to dip into the window this month for any major signings, but are set to be active on deadline day. And Bleacher reports says an approach has been made to Watford to sign the informed Nigerian forward Ighalo. The move looks unlikely, with Watford desperate to keep hold of a player who has scored 14 goals in 23 league games this term. United could consider getting another striker on loan if they can't tempt Ighalo to Old Trafford before the window shuts. So, Odion Ighalo, great striker, great finish, great pace. He'd be a great addition to our team. I wouldn't say he's up there with the likes of Lukaku, but he is a great striker, as he's proved it this season. But will he think it to Van Gaal's philosophy? Because Van Gaal's philosophy, the striker hardly has the ball, but in Watford, all the time only Deeney and Ighalo have the ball between them. Will we have that kind of attack that Watford do? I don't know. We'll have to see. But this is just transfer news that I'm doing. This is transfer news too. So please like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys later.